Everybody, daily recap for February 28th, 2022. Spartan here. I want to give you guys basically a breakdown of what happened today. So market opened up. We were pretty much bullish out the gate, looking for a push back to fill the gap. We were looking for an inside day from last day's highs, which is exactly what we got. We got a push back into that level. Was unable to break through it. We stayed inside the whole day. So nothing terrible there in that regard. But we did play a whole bunch of things out the gate on the long side. So on the equity side, we did do Tesla out the gate from 816. We rode it up for about, I think it was like 30 points to the upside. We rolled into 900s, 950s, and 1000 options. So we rode that ladder up, which was great. UPST were in at 146 and actually 145.76. And as you guys know, it rallied all day. We also did grab some 200 lotto calls on a pullback, which worked out pretty well. Couple of things as well that we were in. We did do a little bit of DLTR this morning for a long. We were short some LMNT at 425 this morning. We ended up covering it on the pull towards 421, and we ended up flipping it long in the afternoon on the flag break at 426, and we played it into the high of the day. So that was a nice little trade there. Coin we took long at 178 today, rolled that to the upside, and we also did roll into $200 calls as well. And those ended up working pretty good. A couple names that didn't work. Actually, let's just quickly just rip through the rest of the equity stuff. We did some CSIQ long, which did okay for about about half a point on that. We had Dash long for about a point and change on that. We had some W long for about 3 points and change. Played that to the end of the day. We did a little RSX long intraday for a bounce into the 12s, which was great. EPAM we did long as well off the lows. We played it for about 13-14 points on the upside. FedEx long as well at the end of the day on this little consolidate. Actually, I guess it was the middle of the day consolidation breakout to the upside, which ended up doing okay. Some things that didn't work. We did the iron T long this morning at $5 at 5:30 actually. Stop at 5, so we got stopped out for 30 cents there. Not a huge deal, but obviously didn't work there. And then we did some ISPO long. Small size starter on this little pop, and then ended up just kind of coming back and stopping us out. So on the equity side overall, pretty good stuff. Like I said, on the option side, we had Tesla rolls, which worked out really nice. We had BA longer dated calls, which worked out well as well. QS, we played the 17 calls, and we also rolled those, which worked. SPWR worked out nicely as well. Coin roll. What else did we do? Some CVX 145 calls. We scalped those out the gate this morning to the upside. PayPal as well. We did the 115 calls, which worked out quite well. And Nvidia 260s a little bit, worked okay. Wasn't a huge trade on that. Some of the stuff that didn't work on the option side. We did a couple lottos that were kind of like whatever, like plug. We tried the 28 calls that didn't end up really doing anything. Ended up just getting out of that for about a 10-cent loss at the end of the day. And other than that, we did a Rivian Lotto, ended up getting out flat on that. We did shop intraday at 150 to about 280 on that, so it was a pretty good trade. And yeah, I think that's pretty much about it. We did some SPY calls and puts as the market was moving, but nothing really major there. All in all, good day. Pretty standard inside day. We played the trends well. We were really patient, waiting for things to move to the upside and the downside, and basically just picked our spot. So it was a pretty, I think, relaxing and easy way to start the week. We'll see what happens, tomorrow. In regards to the market, closed below the 13 EMA on the daily, but did close above EMA support on the monthly and the weekly. So that does look decent. And on the hourly, it does look like we are obviously putting up a flag. So I think that the market could get some continuation tomorrow, but of course we need that 437.55 area reclaimed for confirmation. But yeah, all in all, pretty decent day. If you guys are interested in trading with us, SpartanTrading.com. We do stream from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. every single day. Discord's obviously open 24/7. And there's also a swing chat as well if that's more your thing rather than day trading. But yeah, that's it. Any questions, you guys can reach out. www.spartantrading.com. Thanks for watching.